Welcome friends. I am doing this 6 tutorial for teaching arrays. How to use array in AutoCAD. So let us move on. First of all, you want first of all provide a circle. Now provide axis for this. This ortho mode should be on. Find that center. So if you want to use an array function, let in ball bearing you find that there are some balls which are at some particular distance from a particular point. They form some geometry which is very similar. Okay, so first of all, like in ball bearing, draw a small ball. Okay, now we want to use array function. We want this ball at a particular angle at a particular distance from this. So for this we use polar array. For that, simply write AR, press enter. Now it is asking select object, press right click. Now it is asking for path, rectangular, polar. As we want polar, so we click on polar. Now specify the center point. So in this way it has created an in a simple figure in which array function is used. You see that it already taken the angle 45 degree. Okay, now if you want to change the angle, if you want to give the items at what number of items you want, so simply click in this items, give if you want 12, then simply write 12, press enter. So it is taken 12 circles. Okay, if you want to give angle between them, then simply right angle. So it is taken 15 angle. Okay, if you want to give fill angle, okay, if you want to fill angle up to this 270, so simply write 270. It will fill the angle up to 270. Okay, this is for polar array. Now if you want to use rectangular array, in which can be used for in classroom. In classroom, as the benches are there, it can be said that it is a rectangular array. So let us use a rectangular array. Let this is the one bench, and we want to make some column and rows. So for that, simply write AR array, select object, make right click, give rectangular. Okay, so it is already taken a given value. Now if you have some number of columns or number of rows, 5, so see it is taken 5 rows and 5 columns. If you want to give spacing between them, so what is the spacing? It is 2 around. Okay, you find that it is 2. You want to give 5, and from there also 5. So in this way you can give spacing. So in this way array function can be used in AutoCAD. Okay, thank you for watching the video.